Welcome to our channel. Docker revolutionizes local development by allowing you to create consistent, isolated environments for your projects without conflicting dependencies. Step 1. Download Docker Desktop from the official Docker website, choosing the appropriate version for your operating system, whether Windows, Mac, or Linux. Step 2. Install Docker Desktop by running the installer and following the setup wizard, which may require restarting your computer to complete installation. Step 3. Verify your Docker installation by opening a terminal and running the Docker version command to confirm Docker is installed and running correctly. Step 4. Understand Docker concepts, including images, which are templates for containers, and containers, which are running instances of images. Step 5. Pull your first image from Docker Hub by running Docker pull, followed by the image name, such as Nginx or Python. Step 6. Run a container using the Docker run command, specifying port mappings and volume mounts to connect your container to your local file system. Step 7. Create a Docker file for your project by writing instructions that define how to build your custom image, including base image, dependencies, and commands. Step 8. Build your custom image using the Docker build command, tagging it with a meaningful name for easy reference. Step 9. Use Docker Compose to manage multi-container applications by creating a compose file that defines all your services and their relationships. Step 10. Learn essential Docker commands for managing containers, including starting, stopping, inspecting logs, and cleaning up unused containers and images. Your Docker development environment is now ready for consistent and efficient coding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.